Union Home Minister Amit Shah will inaugurate India's first liquid nano de-ammonia phosphate DAP plant established by IFFCO at Kalol in Gandhinagar today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh celebrated Dussehra with army soldiers at a forward base in Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang, yesterday. While addressing the annual RSS Dussehra rally in Nagpur today, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has said that extremist elements from across the border were involved in Manipur violence. French President Emmanuel Macron arrived in Tel Aviv today to express his country's solidarity with Israel after the deadly October 7 attacks by the Palestinian militant group Hamas. India has clinched 26 medals, 8 gold, 9 silver and 9 bronze at the ongoing Asian Para Games at Hangzhou, China so far.